We are using the Edge silk kit for this one. You will find it on eBay for $35 or 20 UK pound. Okay. So you have this totally broken silk or glass fiber nail with cracks and everything. A total train wreck, to be honest. No panic. Let's fix this. Start by buffing away excess material and make the surface as clean and even as possible. Moving on to the next step. Okay, this part is kind of nasty, but it has to be done. Use some resin and try to push it down the crack as far as you can. Now hold the nail in position for a minute or two as the resin sets. I am glad that part is over. Now, let's take the silk or glass fiber strip and cut it to the form of the nail. Gently remove the strip and place it onto your nail. It is self-adhesive, so this should be no problem. Make sure it covers the whole nail, and the edges too. Place the strip a millimeter or two away from the cuticle. As you can see, this covers the crack and everything. Okay, time for some resin. Brush it on like ordinary polish, but make sure not to touch the skin. Don't forget to cover the tip to get a good seal. Now, spray with the activator to set the resin and make it diamond hard. If you did get any resin on your skin, this step will burn like hell, but only for a few seconds. Okay, so the nail is getting back to normal. The crack is covered, and the nail hardened. Simply file off the remaining strip with an ordinary file to desired length. The strip will break and fall off quite easily. Keep on filing and filing and filing. Just perfect. Use the buffer for a second to keep things smooth and fine. Finish it off with a second layer of resin. Watch your skin. Now spray, as before, to set. The last thing to be done is buffing and filing with a finer file for a soft and perfect finish. I mean, look at these results. Just amazing. We recommend silk wrap over fiberglass simply because silk leaves no trace of fakeness at all. This method can also be used to strengthen your natural nail, making them long and sexy without doing the fake nail tips.